Hello everyone, welcome to GRE question of the day. Today we will discuss a question on charts and graphs. As you can see, our today's question is a multiple choice question with a single correct answer. In this question, we are given a line graph representing the average temperature highs and lows for city X and the average monthly rainfall for cities X and Y. Now we are asked to find during how many months was the city-wise average rainfall exceeded 3 inches and city X average low temperature was greater than or equal to 30 degrees. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I'm here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 2. That is, there are 2 such months. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So, from the bar graph, you can observe that Y in city Y, the average rainfall exceeded 3 inches in the months of January, February, March, October, November, and December. Now let us check the average low temperature for city X in these months to see which of them is greater than or equal to 30 degrees. So for January, February and March, we see that all of them are less than 30 degrees, which is this line. Okay. So all of them are less than 30 degrees. Hence, we can eliminate these months. Now, for October, November and December, you can check that for October and November, for October it is greater than 30 and for November it is exactly equal to 30, while for December it is less than 30 and hence we can eliminate December as well, thus giving us 2 months, October and November, in which this phenomenon occurs. Thus the correct answer is option 2. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.